Hello everyone, we are the Huna Optical and Electric Technology. Today we will introducing our new production, the field lock optical frequency count, which you can see. The size is 3 units, and you can see it's very beautiful, and we think it's very beautiful. And for this is 8 RF port, which is the external reference for the 10 megahertz and the external reference of the FCO and for the FR and for the F beat. And this 3 is the monitor port, which monitor for FCO and FR and F beat, and this is a backup RF port. And through this is a frequency counter from the key side. And you can see this is a repetition frequency of our optical frequency count, and we're using a stamp for the reference system to get its synchronization. And this is microwave generation, which to provide the external reference FR. Yeah, you can see this. And in the fourth panel, this is 5 optical port, which is CW in and for 4 output ports. And in this is the communication. And we also provide a software to control this whole scenes. And this is our software. And also we have a screen of this production, and you can see this can show the current FR frequency, which is same as the frequency counter. And this is a seed pump current, and this is application pump current of the FCO detection. And this is the temperature of whole the seed source. And this 4 is a locking button, and you can using each one to realize different locking performance. And the first one is auto locking. Auto locking means once you click this button, and the FR and FCO has been full locked, and also you can locking the FCO only, or FR only, or F bit only. And if you don't want to use in the auto lock, you can change to this. And in this, we provide the PID setting and the sweep panel, and we have the offset and the gain. And in this, you can see the all things from the locking board, also the error signal, the thermal signal, and the external clock voltage, which can using this to detection the external clock. And also this is for F bit, FR, and this is warning panel. And this is our software, which we can use it to open serial port and connect the device. And you can see this is our device. And we provide the repetition frequency of our seed source, and this is the current repetition frequency. And we only using to click this button, and you can see after this it will be locked. Okay, you can see from this panel, this FCO is locked, and you can see this. The screen has also shown the FCO is locking, and we can through the frequency counter using this port, and you can see the FCO has been fully locking, and we put the gate to 1 second, and we can see the variation of the FCO frequency is below than 1 millihertz. And once we lock in the FCO, this button will show the continue, which means we need to give the, because we're using the external reference of the FR, so we need to give the FR frequency, and which the frequency is shown in there. So we just need to put the microwave frequency is same as the we show. Okay, we make it output, and then we click the auto locking, and now we can see all things is closed, and the FR with the FCO is all shows closed, which means it's all locking. And if you want to close signal loop, you just to click the close. And through this, we can show the repetition frequency. You can see we locking at the 199.99965 megahertz, and you see the frequency variation is below than 1 millihertz. Yes, and this is very easy and very simple to use. And we also give two LED to show the state of the mode lock frequency and the state of the frequency locking. And once the production realizes the field locking, the two lights will become to green. And once it lost the FR locking or FCO locking, the light will turn to different colors. And once we lock the FR, we can use this to see the variation of the repetition frequency, because we put a simple frequency counter in this production. The frequency counter we put in this have the revolution of the 1 Hertz. So wait a minute, you will see once we show the field locking, the variation of the repetition frequency is below than 1 Hertz. Show the repetition frequency variations during the field locking state. And you can see this is below the 1 Hertz. We give the max to min, the span is 1 Hertz. And this tool is to monitoring the electric signal. You can see we have the 3 channels server signal and the 3 channel of the error signal. And you can choose which one to monitor. And if you want to change the locking setting, you can use in this page, and this is the setting of the FCO and for FR and for FBit. And also we have put the monitoring information of the electric signal on this. And this is the promote message, which you can see the communication is stable. And we also have the warning page, and this is the field warning page. And in each page, we have a small warning message, which you can use this to monitor the running state of the field production. This is our new production. If you are looking for easily use or simple using optical frequency comp, you can connect us and through the below link. And this production is designed for optical clock and for the time and frequency distribution, and also for some researcher wish to using this to measurement the optical frequency, to measurement the time scale, to measurement the other things. And if you are interested, please to connect us, and we will give you the more information about this production. Thanks for watching, and please keep interested of our new production. We will show more and more new production in the future.